pwede basahin ko lang solidarity. Okay na. Dali lang ha. Okay lang. Thanks, Aaron.
Tunay na kapayapaan. Kailangan bukatin tuloy ang kolonyal na okupasyon sa Palestine. Kaya mula patigil na ang okupasyon sa Palestine, ang ugat imperialismo, subalit ang tanglaw po ng ating pakikibaka ang magpapalaya.
First, our message to the Israel government to have genuine peace. We have to stop the colonial occupation of Palestine. And for the Philippine government, we should support the struggle of the Palestinian people for independence and the determination of their future in their own hands. We should also review the military support of big countries like the US for Israel, because this is fueling the conflict. This is fueling the occupation, fueling the casualty and tragedy in Palestine.